From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is Wake Up Weather.
Good morning, folks. Ben Luna here with you for Wake Up Weather this morning. Stay weather alert today. It's going to be dangerous outside with wind gusts possible up to 75 miles per hour. We don't deal with that a lot where we live. This is one of those exceptional days that actually could go down in history across the region. That's why we are in red alert mode to bring you the utmost urgency in today's weather threat. Now, getting started this morning, some breezy winds already out there, nothing compared to what we'll see in just a few hours and some scattered storm activity, but we are expecting a line of storms to cross the region as we head into the next few hours. Temperatures in the 40s this morning. I think we're going to pop back close to the 50s as we head through the midday. And then once the storm system starts to pass through, those winds will be ushering in some really cold temps as we head into this evening. So here's the high wind threat for today. The peak activity for this kicks underway at about 9 o'clock this morning, give or take, and continues through the earlier afternoon hours. The damaging wind potential is going to be 50 to 75 mile per hour gust. The sustained winds, likely in the ballpark of 40 miles per hour at times today. All this is from pressure gradient winds. So even after rain and storms pass the area this morning, those winds will stay with us on and off through the afternoon hours for a while. And notice trees and power lines, those utility poles and some of those tree bases are a little bit weaker because of the rain we had over the past few days. That ground base is just a little bit more weaker because of that moisture. All right, so where are we concerned with this happening? All across our viewing area, high wind potential in southern Tennessee, North Alabama, and northeast Mississippi today. Watch out for those wind gusts, and we really can't track those with radar, okay? That's one of those things that just happens in a given area, and that's what makes it really hard to say, hey, you know, this particular area is going to see wind activity. That's not the way that is unfortunately how this event's going to work. It's just going to be more sporadic across the region. So, and it could be actually more widespread on a given area than a traditional cellular thunderstorm. So just please be careful and be prepared the best as possible with the situation that we have brewing today. And this is a very busy time because we go from quite literally the frying pan to the freezer with more severe weather threats next week in terms of temperature and even wintry precip. But let's break that down for today. Scattered showers this morning. The main line crosses the Highway 43 corridor, give or take about 10 o'clock today. And then that pushes east of I-65 by noon. And then some leftover moisture is with us as we head into the midday and afternoon hours today. Temperatures dropping behind that boundary all the way into the 30s by 7 o'clock, and then we'll be continuing into the 20s on toward midnight tonight and here to start Saturday morning. What about the rest of the weekend? And is Old Man Winter paying a visit to the area? Short answer is yes, but let's get through one weather event before we start to focus on the other. I'll be back at 7 o'clock to break that down for you as well. But look at the stair step down to the bottom, 7 degrees by Wednesday morning. So what we see falling right in here stays all the way through Wednesday. That's our concern. And a heads up to join me back here at 7 a.m. All right. Stay with us. As always, Tennessee Valley Weather will keep you advised. I'll leave you with a final check on the forecast. Thanks for stopping by. As always, stay with Tennessee Valley Weather.